Do you know many people are having trouble with removing the non-stick basket from their Ninja air fryer? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Unplug device. Unplug the air fryer from the wall socket and ensure that it has completely cooled down. Step 2. Open fryer. Pull out the ceramic-coated pan using its handle to open the air fryer. Step 3. Remove plate. Locate the crisper plate inside the pan and remove it by lifting it out. Step 4. Lift basket. Lift the ceramic-coated non-stick basket straight out of the pan to remove it. Follow these steps to easily remove the non-stick basket from your Ninja Air Fryer Max AF160ANZ. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Ninja users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.